Once again, welcome back to the program. ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਸੈਗਮੈਂਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਦਰਸ਼ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਨਾਲ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ ਕੰਸਲਟੈਂਟ ਨੇ। ਇਹ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਲੰਮੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਕੇ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਇਨਪੁਟਸ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਕਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਚੰਗੇ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਚਲਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਐਂਟਰਪ੍ਰੀਨਿਓਰ ਹੋਣਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਈਜ਼ੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਬਹੁਤ ਔਖਾ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਬੇਸਿਕਸ ਤੋਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਪਲੈਨਿੰਗ ਦੀ ਜੋ ਮਹੱਤਤਾ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਟਜੀਜ਼ ਇਵੋਲਵ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਨੇ। ਪਰ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਚਲਾਉਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਲਦਾ। ਕੀ ਕਾਰਨ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕੀ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਔਰ ਇਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਦਰਸ਼ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਨਾਲ। Welcome to the program. Thank you. So today we would like to focus upon that despite your best efforts, whatever you have said in the previous programs, if people have been listening, but still the business is not growing.
Yes.
And then it's a major dejection. You have put in your money, energy, resources, and you're not getting the results. So at that time, what needs to be done?
This is a critical time to evaluate where you are and analyze where you are.
Right.
There are certain ways to take a look at that. One of them, for example, are using certain types of metrics. If you're a customer-driven business,
Right.
you have to look at things like, are you getting new customers? Are your existing customers slowly going away? Are you charging enough per customer, which means have you changed your prices? Have you increased, or it may not be an increase, are you competitive with other people? Have you looked at the market around you? And when you start using those type of numbers are a great way to sort of see why I'm stopping.
Right.
In the beginning, if you had a growing business, go back and see what was driving that business then.
Right.
What has changed until now? And a lot of the time, if you've been in business for a year, that's different than if you've been in business for 10 years.
Right.
A lot more has changed since then. So it's just looking at those metrics. The other thing is when it's a customer driven business, you have to look at, when I started my business, what opportunity was I trying to capitalize on?
Right.
And is it still the same opportunity? Is it available? Has it changed? Is that need or that hole in the market, is that gone now?
Okay.
So do I need to look for other opportunities, or is this just a sign that perhaps I filled a need and now it's time to move on? So
Right.
it's looking at those certain things, but you have to be very objective. What you have to make sure you don't do is only talk to yourself.
Right.
Getting the right advice is very, very important.
Right, but here, Adarsh, before you go forward towards the right advice, many a times when this kind of thing happens, the blame game starts.
Yes.
And that's a very critical phase in your business, when instead of focusing upon what you have said of analyzing where things went wrong, we start to blame, and then with the blame, what happens.
Absolutely.
So over here, how to be careful that you just don't get engulfed in that blame game, and you start actually analyzing what went wrong.
This is a good place where you get the right advice. We spoke about this in another segment about
Right.
making sure you get the right
Oh,
advice.
yes.
Hiring someone like me, for example, is a good way to go. Looking for advice for perhaps if you are a business that has a lot of suppliers that deal with similar businesses, they may be willing to talk to you. They may be willing to say, I know so and so, they're doing really well.
Right.
And just maybe see if they're willing to share those kinds of ideas with you. But objectivity is critical, and especially if you're in that downward spiral, what happens is you're trying to stay afloat. So the natural reaction is panic.
Right.
Or defense. You come up with those defense mechanisms, and it's just not a good way. It's not a realistic way to look at it. The best
Right.
way is to put yourself in a position and say, look, this is going to be a hard thing for me to do. But there's a wonderful quote by Albert Einstein that basically says that you can't use the same thinking to get out of a problem.
Right.
You
have to come out of that
when
mindset
that's the
with a
thinking
different mindset. Yeah.
that got you into it.
Right.
So those are types of things that really you have to play hardball with yourself.
Right.
You have to say, look, this is hard. I don't like where I'm at, but if you keep going, you're never going to change.
That's
so
right.
seeking the right advice, talking to other people,
Right.
and you also have to be willing to spend the money
Right.
to change. Not everything, you can't get everything for free.
Of course.
And that is a difficult thing. For example, I run into that all the time too. A lot of people, they want advice and that sort of thing, and you're happy to do it, but everyone, you have to value everything.
Right.
If you're not valuing them, how do you expect anyone to value you? And it's a very universal principle, I think.
Of course, no doubt about it, and that's the time to invest in yourself, in your business, so that you
Yeah.
grow. Because instead of just closing it down, it's better to invest something into your own business.
Yes.
Ultimately, it's going to progress, be beneficial to you only.
Well, of course, because it, you know, like we spoke about before, this is going to start to affect, if it hasn't already, your entire life.
Oh, yeah,
That kind of
your
stress
personal-
infiltrates everything in your life, not just
Right.
business.
Right.
And then all of the people around you, all the things that you love and care about the most, you can't even enjoy them. There's no
Right.
point in that. So when you're investing into your own future like that, you will get the return on your investment
Right.
when you do it correctly.
ਥੈਂਕਸ ਦਰਸ਼, ਥੈਂਕਸ ਫॉर
Thank
ਦਿਸ
you.
ਪਰਸਪੈਕਟਿਵ। ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਦਰਸ਼ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਨੇ ਜਿਸ ਵਿਸ਼ੇ ਤੇ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਸ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਾਰੀ ਇਹ ਵੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਬਿਜ਼ਨੈਸ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਪਰ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ, ਅਤੇ ਉਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਮ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਵੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਬਲੇਮ ਗੇਮ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਕਾਰਨ ਇਹ ਖਰਾਬੀ ਹੋਈ, ਉਸਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਸਲਾਹ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਸੀ। ਪਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਰਾਦਰ ਦੈਨ ਵੇਸਟਿੰਗ ਆਰ ਐਨਰਜੀ ਉਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਜੇਕਰ ਫੋਕਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਐਨਾਲਾਈਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੇਖੀਏ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਕਾਰਨਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਡਿਵੈਲਪ ਹੋਈ ਤੇ ਫਰਦਰ ਕੀ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ, ਉਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਧਿਆਨ ਦਈਏ ਤਾਂ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਚਲਾ ਸਕੀਏ। ਉਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵਰਗੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸ਼ਨਲਸ ਦੀ ਐਡਵਾਈਸ ਲੈਣ ਦੀ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਇਸੇ ਹੀ ਫੀਲਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਸਹੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਐਡਵਾਈਸ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਨਵਾਂ ਰਸਤਾ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ। ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਨਵੈਸਟਮੈਂਟ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਦੇ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ, ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਫਰਦਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਿਟ ਹੀ ਦੇਗੀ, ਬੈਨੀਫਿਟ ਹੀ ਦੇਗੀ।